want to tell you a technique in Figma with which you will be able to professionally, efficiently, and in the most time-saving method, you will be able to use icons in Figma. What otherwise you would be doing is you would be going to a website, downloading the icons individually, and then you would be just importing them individually as well. That's a time-consuming process, and then it's also not the most flexible way, because you will have to you won't be able to change the colors. You won't be able to make any changes to the dimensions, because those images are imported as JPEGs or PNG. So how do we do that in Figma? The most efficient way to get your icons is you do it with the help of a plugin called Iconify. If you don't have it installed, please go to your communities, search for Iconify and install that plugin. Okay, since I've already installed here, I'm going to do is click this icon and activate it. My plugin is now active. As you can see from the beginning, you have a list of all the libraries that exist in the market, icon libraries that exist in the market. Okay, so yeah, you won't be running out of options very soon. Looking at some of the most common ones, you have material symbols, you have material icons, you have photo, you have bootstrap icons. Okay, now as you can see here in the library, you have the number of icons that are available. It is also giving you the author. So since this is by Google, you know it is a professional library. So let's have a look at this one. I'm going to activate it. Or before we activate it, let me just show you can filter out font that you're looking for. For example, in this case, I'm going to look for font awesome. Okay, I have my font awesome. I can just activate any one of those. So I'm going to disable this search. I'm going to go back to material icons, because this is more made by the company itself. Let's have a look, and it has about 12,000 icons. Okay, so it has about this library individually alone has 12,000 icons, and it has 249 pages. Okay, so what you're going to do is here, in case of let's have a look for something. So when you see this icon library activated, you have predefined filters, and you can just use those predefined filters to find what you're looking for. Let's say for maps, you can do for locations and whatnot. You can go photo and images. You can just double click it again to disable the filter. So let's have something much more so how do you use the icon? So what you do is you just simply click and drag it. That's how simple it is. Okay, now if you want to do multiple icons, what you do is you come to this particular double checkbox, you click it, and you can start adding your icons to the queue. So since I have already these icons also added from a different library, so they are here already in my queue. And if I want to change their color, what I can do is change their color like that, any color I want. Okay, and next to the colors, I can also change the sizing of it. Let's make it 32 pixels, pretty neat. And all I'm going to do is import icons. You can also import them as components by default. Okay, but for now, let's just import them as standard icons. So all my icons are now imported in just one single click. Pretty neat, guys, pretty neat. Okay, you can change the colors, you can change the sizing, and import them multiple as well. So you have access to so many icons now, and you can do anything with them you want, and you can change their color. Okay, let's make it yellow, and then you can also change the sizing. That's how you do it. And then you can also add a stroke to them. Here you go. You can have as much fun as you want with your icons. Now you don't have to go to any website, download individual JPEG and start working with it. It's the most fastest way possible that you can do. I've been using this technique for all my work, and it has been the most useful. And also, guys, just to let you know, since this is my icon, I want to export this icon to my developer. My developer is saying, okay, please send me this particular icon. So since this is already in a frame, all I'm going to do is go to export, and then I can select the format as well. I can send it as a JPEG, SVG, or PNG. Okay, so that's pretty neat there. So all I do is select SVG. Since this is already selected, I'm going to do export, and my icon will be exported as a SVG. So pretty neat, guys. Please use this plugin. I hope you find this video useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be bringing you a lot more knowledge on design. So I've already got some lined up UX research videos. I've already posted affinity diagrams yesterday. You can check it out as well. And please, yeah, so looking forward to you in the next video. Take care, have fun.